Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Weebly website. This is a great way to keep your visitors informed about upcoming events, appointments, or any important dates related to your business or project. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in using your Weebly account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Weebly homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now look at the left menu on your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Website. Click on it and then select Edit Site from the options that appear. This takes you into the editor where you can make changes to your website's content and layout. You'll see a list of websites associated with your account if you have multiple sites. Choose the website you want to edit, and on the right side of that website's listing, click the Edit button. This opens up the full editor interface where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the header bar at the top of the screen. Click on the Build section. This is where you'll find all the tools and elements you can add to your pages, from text boxes to images and apps. On the left side of the Build section, scroll down to the bottom until you find Installed Apps. This area shows all the apps currently integrated with your site. Click on Add App to explore new options. This opens up the Weebly app market where you can browse and install various widgets and tools. In the search bar, type Calendar and hit Enter. You'll see several calendar options appear. Browse through them and choose the one that best fits your needs and website style. Click on your chosen calendar app to view more details about it. Once you've made your selection, click the Add button. Then click Connect to authorize the app to integrate with your Weebly site. This process links the calendar functionality directly to your website. After connecting, head back to the Installed Apps section on the left side. You'll now see the calendar app you just added listed there. Simply click and drag this app onto any section of your website where you'd like the calendar to appear. You can position it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout, and that's it. You've successfully added a calendar to your Weebly website, making it easier for visitors to stay updated on your schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.